Hey, what's up? You know how everyone doesn't really have like a solution for their benchies or their failed prints or their Pokemons that they do for diagnostic reasons? I got so many of them, and I'm just like, I don't know what to do with them. I've always been like just piling them up. Like I got a little shelf of like, little diagnostic prints up there. You know what I mean? I just don't know what to do with them. But then I had this great idea. That's what I do with my benchies and diagnostic prints.